InfiRay P2 Pro Thermal Camera for Phone Infrared Thermal Imager. P2 Pro Thermal Camera provides free professional analysis mode for global users. The thermal images have been taken by P2 Pro infrared camera can be used for secondary analysis. It can be opened directly with the software. Perform point line surface data analysis. No need to insert product. P2 Pro Thermal Imager equipped with user-friendly DE technology. You can highlight the target's area by swipe 2 fingers manually setting temp. The built-in emissivity, distance, and ambient temperature adjustments allow you to freely switch between measurement requirements in different scenarios. Automatic detection within the warning range. High and low temp alarm, improving efficiency. P2 Pro allows you to select point, line, and area to analyze images in your phone album. There is no need to take a photo of the temperature measurement object. Additionally, P2 Pro supports video recording, image rotation and image fusion function. You could also share high-quality IR images on social media easily. The magnetic macro lens enables you to switch usage scenes as you please. You can even see distant and nearby objects clearly, with the 0.25mm resistor clearly visible at 4 cm away. By adjusting sharpness and contrast, you can easily see the details and clarity of the target. Unveiling the world's first 814M uncooled infrared detector in April 2021. Extracting the jewel from the crown of infrared technology. With 9 grams metal body and 9mm thickness, P2 Pro is the world's smallest thermal imager. 1/7 of the volume, 10 times ability to enhance. P2 Pro with a 256x192 InfiRay high infrared resolution and 40 mK high sensitivity. It provides you with clear thermal vision.